and welcome to CamelBack Resort. This is our room. We actually have room 223 today, and I figured we'd do a quick tour and I'll show you around. Let's start with our luggage area. So over here, as soon as you walk in, you have your iron board. Iron is over here. Bunch of hangers, which is great to hang up your stuff. We just got in, so I just recently took out all the bags and put them all together so that they're stored. All of our smaller things on the shelving up here, which is great. I really love the shelving options in here. If we'll go to the left side, we have our full bathroom. You can come on inside. We have a full bathroom, shower head. They do give you complimentary soaps, Mountain Mist, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and a tub, of course. So let's continue on with the tour. So let's go on to the room. When you come inside, the place to wash your hands isn't in there. It's actually over here with this huge full-size mirror, well, half-size mirror. You can see most of yourself. And the sink to wash your hands is right over here. They actually provide some hand wash and some hand lotion on the inside of here as well, along with your hand towels. The girls are already having a great time, if you can hear them in the background, but we chose the double queen room. They're having a great time. So the queen size headboards, these are all really nice sized beds. As far as the room goes itself, you do get a couple different things. You get, of course, a microwave. You get a safe to store any of your valuables, some small valuables. Trash, of course, is over there. And then over here we have your refrigerator. Come on in a little bit farther. And then over here we have our nice little sitting area. We did get put onto the first floor. The first floor, our view is probably not the best view in the entire place because all we see is the parking lot and people driving in. But I'm guessing if you choose a higher floor, you get a better view. Or if you have a balcony, you get a better view too. But we have this couch. This couch is actually a pull-out couch too. So if you have more people with you, you can pull out that couch and give you guys more sleeping area. And then of course, if you go back over to the right side, over here is our little eating work area set up for today. For the time that we're going to be here at least. So this is where we be, if we have to bring them back any food, hopefully we'll be eating it over here. Hopefully the girls won't be on the bed eating it. And this is our room tour. So don't forget to look at our channel, check out our other CamelBack Resort videos, and come back and see us. Press that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, and see you guys later.
Like, share, subscribe.